Hi everyone, this is Marnell and Mike coming to you from Kiepersol. We light the vineyard up every single year and have for the past few years, and it's a beautiful symbol of the Advent season for us, and we're very proud to do that, and it just creates this gorgeous atmosphere here at Kiepersol. And the last year we had a ceremony lighting the vines. The first day to light the vineyard up, we had gorgeous fireworks, and we were planning to do the exact same thing this year. And we have bad news. Storm is coming, apparently. And the good news is we sold out. We had 300 tickets. We had to do tickets because of COVID, and we have a whole COVID plan. And now we find ourselves having to give you guys all a refund, and we're canceling the fireworks. I'm so sorry, but good news. Mike, you want to tell them the good news?
Yeah, good news is we're still going to be open. So we just won't have the ceremony, opening ceremony. Basically, we're going to be open from 11 a.m. to 7 p.m. on Black Friday, which is our normal business hours. We are going to have Mike Kellogg, who's going to come out from 4:30 p.m. until 7 p.m. He's going to be playing some live music. He's a saxophone player and plays along with some music, and really good. He came out last year, and it's going to be a lot of fun. But either way, we're going to be open for tastings. Come get a cocktail from our bar, get some wine, get some food from our bistro. If you've never had charcuterie meats and cheeses from Kiepersol along with our Kiepersol wine or spirits, you're missing out.
Yeah.
Please come try it.
And some fun fall cocktails, fall in time. It's a delicious cocktail. So come and try our cocktails, come and try our wine, come and see us and help celebrate the season with us. And to those of you that were planning on coming out, all 300 of you, we will be issuing a refund.
Yep.
And we look forward to seeing you again. And happy holidays, Merry Christmas.
Have a happy Thanksgiving.